What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Saints here, back with the day 3 vlog of BC. Hannah tying her shoe. We started a little late today. I was cooking breakfast, so I should have recorded it, but I didn't. It's 11, so we did everything, ate breakfast, and now we are gonna hike this big ass mountain. It's about a 6K walk up and down. So I'm already huffing and puffing already. Tough look, but this is what we're going up. So yeah, should be a cool little adventure. Try to get some views. When I get to the top, it'll be probably outstanding. So we'll see you on the way. Stayed in Mount Washington. We currently have Morgan and Hannah being our guides. Our actual Vancouver, BC guide left us, so she took her own way. Tough luck. But it wasn't a bad night last night. We drank, played some beer pong, watched the vlogs, and went to bed. So yeah, passed out at 12. Solid night. Alright, so we couldn't find a trail down, so we just walked through all that bush. Cami was the chiseled vet and already made it. We are clearly not around here, so we just sprinted right through the bush. Hopefully we ain't got no poison ivy. Could be a tough look for the rest of the trip if we do. Yeah, just a little edge. Got a little stream here. Birdie. But yeah, so we're at the bottom of the mountain now. Gonna make it all the way top. Apparently it's only 3 kilometers up. I call bullshit. Odds are I'm taking the fucking chairlift down. So as you see in the last clip, this in the summertime this mountain is mainly for mountain biking. A lot of bikers back there. Sadly Cami was mountain biking. She's a big mountain biker, but sadly she broke her separated her shoulder a couple weeks back, so she hasn't been able to do it recently. But yeah, this looks awesome. But yeah, a lot of mountain bikers. About 2/3 the way up. Gamers are not meant to hike. This is brutal. I'm dying. Some beautiful views though, definitely be worth it in the end, but god damn. Legs are killing, can't breathe. It's just not good. Not good. But other than that, it's been pretty good. Taking quite a few stops so I can survive. But yeah, should be all worth it in the end. A little nook shook. Oh my god. Nice. Nicely done.
Ow, ow.
We made it to the top.
Hi. Got them cold.
That was rough. I got my agua though.
And the other 2 bottles.
Yeah, I've been pounding water. But it's an amazing view. I'll get a couple time lapses. Yeah, so we gotta hike all the way back down as well. It's about 3 kilometers up. It was a mission, but we made it. We made it. We're about to go down, I believe. We got some great pictures and great videos, so I hope you guys did enjoy that. It's fucking beautiful up here. But yeah, so we're gonna hike down. Hopefully it's a lot easier than going up. How's the walking stick?
It works great.
You haven't tripped at all.
I've just been laughing at what they
Oh my god. We are almost at the bottom of the mountain. That forest was beautiful. But yeah, so we'll get to the bottom, figure something out to eat, and then we'll shake it like, oh my god. Yeah.
I'd be pissed.
A free hay y'all.
Let's be respectful, you know, like if I did that, I wouldn't want someone to take it.
That's fair, you know. If I just left a beer in the middle of fucking a mountain, we'd want it back.
That's cool.
Oh my god. Alright, we made it to the bottom. It was pretty fun. The way up was a fucking struggle. That shit hurt. The way back was a lot easier. So yeah, by far the best view we've seen. Obviously not from here, but it was fucking amazing. It was so amazing. Definitely worth it, but definitely was a lot of pain. Wasn't used to that. Dinner, we just arrived, so we are eating at the Fluid Bar and Grill. So I'll show you our dinners, but after that we're gonna go to the beach and see some light show in the water. Apparently Cami said it was pretty cool, so we'll catch you when we're inside.
Well, happy 19th.
Oh no, not a good time.
Is that the barbecue?
Okay, can I just a little sip? Honestly, not bad.
Okay, ready?
Okay, 3, 2, 1, go.
Here's to birthdays. They come once a year. Let's hope I don't.
We finished up dinner. I don't know how well you can see me, but dinner was delicious. Had a bunch of Vancouver Long Island iced tea, which were bomb. But we're currently at a little harbor type thing. Apparently there's these bioluminescent plants that if you make contact with the water, like make waves in the water, they'll light up with a nice blue, which I don't think are here, but hopefully we will catch them some point on the trip because they look amazing. But yeah, so we're gonna check out here. Can't see nothing, so I'm assuming you can't see me, but I guess we'll catch you back at the Airbnb. Hope you guys enjoyed day 3 of our BC adventure. I know we did. It was plenty of fun, so much fun to record and edit. I put a little more time into this one, so hopefully you guys did enjoy it. If you did, make sure you do hit that like button and hit the subscribe button. Turn on the notifications so you get to know when the next vlog is uploaded. This one's a little late. I forgot to record an outro for it, so we're already at the 3rd Airbnb, and I'm recording this now. So hopefully you guys have a wonderful rest of your day, and we will see you in the next one.